This Buy Nothing New month, tick repair off your to-do list. A Repair Cafe is part of a worldwide network that was started in Europe about 25, 30 years ago. And the idea is to repair things for people who either don't have the skills to do it or the tools to do it. And the aim is to keep as much stuff out of landfill as possible.
And here in North Perth, we have done somewhere in the order of 3,000 successful repairs. So with a mantra of every successful repair being 1 kilo, we have saved about 3 tonnes out of landfill, which is something we're very proud of. West Australians, find a repair cafe near you and save things from going to landfill.